The tiny island nation of Curacao produces more Major League Baseball players per capita than any other country.
The Baseball Almanac lists 18 since 1996, including Orioles' current superstar, second baseman Jonathan Scope.
We went scouting to find out why. The first reason is this man, Frank Curacao, who has been coaching and running baseball leagues for 55 years.
How many great ball players have you had come through here?
Oh, plenty.
It's hard to count since many have played pro ball around the world. The second reason is Curaçao's love of baseball. Although soccer or European football is gaining, baseball is still number one with kids.
Because I think we have plenty dedication. All the young kids, he think to be a major leaguer someday.
The third reason is the tough soil here. Curacao is like desert. That means ground balls are unpredictable.
Explain that to me.
But because when you play on the field, we call it bat field, the ball, anyway, you hit the ball right to the person, but you get.
The next reason is players like Jonathan Scope who come back and give back, helping to fund the leagues and facilities like this one that has artificial turf.
You don't have to use so many balls.
Okay. So you're saving money on the balls,
yes,
because you're not dirtying them up.
At the time, because you can do plenty things.
Okay.
You can learn sliding, head first sliding on the grass.
Scope uses his big league salary to get Frank a new ride so he can stay coaching future major leaguers.
So if you're in Curacao, hit a ballpark. Chances are you might see some future major leaguers.